everyone, I'm Shweta and in this session we will learn the rhyme of letter G and letter H. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. So let's start singing the phonic rhyme of letter G with actions. This is the gurgle, okay? The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g. Now we will move on to letter H. For that we have to stand. Sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter H is H. So let's start singing. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down with a ha 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 ha. Hope you all enjoyed the phonic rhyme of letter G and actions. In case if you have missed the previous phonic rhymes, then link is given below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.